Okay, percentile. What is percentile? So, percentile is a measure of relative standing. It is a descriptive measure of the relationship of a measurement to the rest of the data. So, when you say relative standing, it's all about the position or rank pang ilan. Yan, ganun yan. So, pag sinabi natin percentile kasi, sa Tagalog, parang siyang porsyento ng ranggo or yung percent ng rank. Basta it's all about the position or ranking mo. Ganun siya. Okay, so example, in a test in algebra, you got a score of 82 and you want to know how you fared in comparison with your classmates. So pag sinabi natin how you fared, how you perform in a specific way, di ba? Yan. So if your teacher tells you that if your teacher tells you that you scored at the 98th percentile, it means that 90% of the grades were lower than yours and 10% were higher. So, ito yon. So, 90%. So, dito yung 90th percentile. So, ibig sabihin daw, 90% of the grades ay mas mababa sa'yo and 10% yung mas mataas dun sa score mo na nakuha mo. Okay. So, for problem 1, having obtained a score of 85 in a recently summative test in statistics, Jan wanted to know how he fared in comparison with his classmates. His teacher told him that he scored at the 90th percentile. What is the corresponding z-score of the 90th percentile? So, ito yung ating graph. So, alam naman natin na ang kalahati ng curve natin ng bell shape na ito ay 50%. And of course, that's 90th percentile. So 50 plus 40, that's 90. So ibig sabihin, nandito banda si 90. Ayan, 90th. So this is 0.5000 and ito ay 0.4000. So ngayon hahanapin natin ang area nitong part na 'to ng 40%. So 0.4000. So ito ang ating, z-table. So kapag naman wala ito, eksaktong 0.4000 sa z-table, hahanapin natin yung mas malapit sa kanya, okay, nearest value. So tingnan natin. So here yon. Ito kasi class, itong 0.3997, tatlo na lang, 'di ba? 0.400 na siya. 'Pag ito naman ang kukunin mo, 0.4015, sobra siya ng 15. So, ito yung pinakamalapit, 'di ba? Kasi tatlo lang naman ang difference. So, ito ang kukunin nating area. So, ano ang value ng what is the corresponding z-score or z-value? So, from 1.2 and 0.08. So, pag inad mo yan, that's 1.28. Okay? So, the area is 0.3997 or 39.97%. Therefore, the z-score that corresponds to the 98th percentile on the normal curve is 1.28. So, this is the final answer. Kasi ang hinahanap is the corresponding z-score of 90th percentile. Alright, problem 2. So, a score is in the 96th percentile where is the score under the normal curve. Okay, where is the score under the normal curve or what is the score under the normal curve? So, let's have a graph. So, kanina 90th. So, ngayon ay 96 na. So, the 46, etong 46% na to, pag dinesimal natin ay 0.4600. Yan. So, yan. So, hanapin natin ang value, area nito, or the nearest area. Okay, so, 4600. So, dito banda, ito. So, we have 0.4599, isa na lang, 0.4600 na siya. Pag dito tayo kumuha, sobra ng 8. So, ang kukunin natin is the 0.4599. Again, bakit ito? isa na lang. Isa na lang. Pag nag-add ka ng 1.4600 na siya. So, ngayon, ano ang z-value niyan? 1.7 and 0.05. So, that's 1.75. So, the area, again, kukunin mo yung area, 0.4599 or in percent, that's 45.99%. Okay? Therefore, the z-score that corresponds to the 96th percentile on the normal curve is 1.75. This is a final answer. Okay, last example. Find the upper 10% of the normal curve. So, pag sinabi natin upper 10%, that's more than 10%. Okay? So, let's have a graph. So, first step is we need to express the given percentage as a probability. So, kung 10%, ano ang 10% kapag in-express natin as probability? That's 0.1000. Yan, 0.1000. Okay, and then, alam naman natin na ang kalahati, di ba upper 10%? So, more than 10%. Ibig sabihin, nasa positive side tayo na area. Ito ay negative side na area. I mean, negative, ano ba to? Standard deviation. So, wala namang negative na area. It's still positive pa din. So, 0.5 dito, 0.5 dyan. Ngayon, ang kinukuha natin is more than 10% or upper 10%. So, ang gagawin dito sa side na to, si 0.5, okay, using the upper side of the mean, find the remaining area. 0.5 minus 0.1, ito. Yung 0.5 o the 50% minus 10%, that's 40%, right? So, 0.4000 yon. Ito. Again, ito yung 50% yung kalahati minus the 10%, that's 40%. Or pag in-express natin as decimal point, it's, probability, that's 0.4000. Di ba kanina hinanap na natin yung area nito at hindi ko napapakita ha. So, that's 0.3997. So, again, anong value nun? Anong z-value nun? 1.28. Okay, so dito yung 1.28. And, pag sinabing upper 10%, andito yung 1.28 or the 10%. Pagka more than 10% or upper 10%, to the right yun. So, dito yung isi-shade natin. Okay, yan. So, ibig sabihin, the upper 10% is above. Z is equal to 1.28. Ito lang yung final answer. Okay? Yan lang naman. And kasama yung graph, syempre.